Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today. David enjoys feeding the horse a carrot. Can you tell me how many sheep and lambs in today's video? The goose wants to go for a swim. The pigs are enjoying their carrots and apples. Well, I've got some work to do. I've got David to help me build the fences. The first animals to arrive are the sheep. There are 3 adults and 2 lambs. I'm giving them some food to encourage them into the pen. More fencing arrives. These are my pigs. That one's a pot-bellied pig. We'll have a closer look in a minute. And of course the piglet. The pot-bellied pig. It's called that because it has a big, rounded, fat belly. David's helping them in. And here's some food for you. And here's the new fencing for the cattle. There's 2 calves. Some fresh grass for the calves. David likes the Texas Longhorns. And here's your food. The Texas Longhorn cow. special treat. The horses are arriving. I've got Mustangs. David's putting their food in to encourage the horses into the enclosure. The Mustang Stallion. David really likes the Mustang mare, and he likes to give her a carrot now and then. Now I'm going to build a pond. This pond is for my new goose. The goose looks a bit worried. In you go. Our farm is open to the public once a week. It's really good to see all the children and their families in here learning about the animals. There are lots of visitors today. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.